Hello guys, today we are going to see how to make online store under $13. We're gonna manage the website on WordPress. I am working right now on my local host, but you're gonna choose hosting and domain name, etc. to make online store online, publish it online. So for that we need to follow those steps. We're gonna choose a niche and develop a business name or a business plan first. We're gonna select our domain name by choosing the providers of domain name and hosting. We're gonna pick a e-commerce website builder, which is WordPress, and we design the look and to online store in our WordPress too. We're gonna choose a theme for that, and we're gonna add product to our online shop and set up a shipping line or drop shipping line. And finally we're gonna market, try to market this to all people, spread it by different types of targeting. And finally we're gonna launch our website online so people can access to it and they can buy products. So before we begin choosing a niche, we have to develop a return policy pages and refund for the credibility of the online store. So for that we're going to edit the page with the, of course, the chosen name of your website or your e-commerce. um, Later on we're going to connect with WooCommerce. Here, for example, we have the return and refund and return policy. Here we can modify if there is any, for example, here if there is a physical address, we have to modify this. For example, um, wherever really you can put your address here and send email to the email address here. For example, your email address, it should be a professional email for the credibility and the image of mark or brand image of your business. It's really necessary. On this section of products, the plugin has two main differences. Here we have WooCommerce, the management system, and here I can add products by categories, by tags, and attributes. Um, Once you have done this, you have also analytics where you can provide good information analysis about your coupon, your tags, your downloads, everything you need for your online digital store. You can have also a marketing platform to view all products once they are published online. I highly recommend also one plugin. It's called automatic new plugin, which are you can grab or scrap. In fact, there is not on WordPress plugins, but you can download it and pay for it, of course. Here on this plugin you can have auto post Amazon, eBay, Walmart product to directly to your website. Here you can see WooCommerce we are using, so it's legal to use this and grab products. But this plugin has you have to pay $13 for purchase. If you go here, for example, to Shopify, at least you need uh, almost $13 to have a online store and design it by them, so you don't have control on it. You don't have control on what you want exactly. um, on WordPress you can design it by yourself. You can have a free CCL certificate, everything you need to do the following things. Here you have e-commerce or Wix. It's also a bit expensive compared to if you do it by yourself. Here on WordPress you can have everything you need. You have only to pay for the for the domain and the hosting I show you in previous videos how to do it. Here, for example, you can go to Namecheap to get a domain name, a name for your website. I chosen hand products, which refer to digital store. You can have, for example, handproduct.digital at under $3 a year. So it's or this one, it's good. This one is good. Handsproduct.shop is very good. And also you can have WordPress hosting under $3, which is for one website. It's good for WordPress hosting here. Or you can have this website called A2 Fasting, also under $3. So here I give you the things that you need to get WordPress hosting for your online store, and they're of course $13. Now let's design the digital store we have. Here, after configuring menus here and setting up all products by categories, we have chosen eCommerce Plus as a website name. Here you can have the menus, the social media for marketing. Here your full name, address, emails, and etc. And the design looks like this by categories. We have like electronics, television, watches, something with related to the category. Here we have different categories. Here sales, for sales, like sunglasses, shoes, different products, and products on sale. The design looks like this. And your arrivals. So the design is very attractive. It's also important to make service here. Service, fast delivery, support, and money back if there is any policies that mention that on your website. At the end, menus or product menus are really important at the end of the footer menu. Also a contact page if someone can contact you for product informations or anything. After done this, you have to set up a shipping, a line shipping. Whether you're gonna choose shipping the product directly to the customers, or by drop shipping to other shipping. After setting up a line of shipping, you have to decide the marketing tools you're gonna need. So there is here a plugin for WordPress WooCommerce, where you can build up a page to sell products. So you can post daily your products. There is Automato. There is Automato for making sales automatically return to customers, and there is Mailship for mailing people to new products coming or promotions, and also those needed. And also this HubSpot is a very good tool for getting traffic and getting customers, more customers. And of course, Google listing and ads, it's a very powerful tool for shopping and making campaigns to the product you have for sale. After done this, all this, you have to set up and launch your online store to the whole global internet to get traffic and of course getting customers, because customers is not easy to build. Finally, there is also one thing important I want to talk about is coverage or insurance for your online store, because it's really important to protect your e-commerce business, your potential from potential lawsuit, maybe accidents, disasters. You likely need to have a type of insurance to the business you have built. So for that you need this website. It's called the Next Insurance, which is very good for securing your website from digital harmful problems. Most general stores, they have liability insurance to product liability insurance to protect them against some of the most risk of e-commerce retailers face, such as customer injury or property damage. In fact, some third parties platform like Amazon may require proof of business insurance to allow you, for example, to sell on their online store. uh, there is there's type of insurance liability, product liability insurance that help online stores from third-party claims their bodily injury or property damage caused by a product. For example, if you are e-commerce or online store business selling shampoo, and the customer purchase it has an allergic reaction to one of the ingredients and sues, your product liability insurance will cover associated medical expenses, legal fees, and settlement of costs. So that's really important to really understand and have it. Of course, it will help your business grow and have more authority and have more liability over the customers. So my final tip for someone who gonna build online store, digital store, first of all, evaluate the risk, which is really important. Decide which policies you need for your online store, and choose like how to shop these products and from who, and this is really important also. So pick a provider of insurance that is gonna cover all your needs and the customer's need, of course. There's a wide range of insurance covering online stores. As you can see here on this website Next, called Next Insurance, there is nationwide also, there is progressive, and there is State Farm, which is also a good insurance, and they have a good really cost for insurance. So for this, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just want to let you know that these videos are really helpful, so please subscribe and make a like button, hit that thumbs up. Thank you.